Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Akakadash, Barakatham to the elders, Ba'akim, Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article, and especially, we've been seeing the rising tensions been heating up of the pro-Iranian groups against the Israeli Defense Force and Iran versus Israel as well, too, as we've been seeing it as of lately over there in Western Asia. This is a news article from fdd.org as of July the 19th, 2024. Flash brief, and it reads, Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen claim drone attack on Tel Aviv. And I believe it was like 1 people were killed and 10 were injured in that drone attack, which is officially claimed by the Houthi rebels, which is a Iranian-backed group. And it says the latest development. It says the Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen claim responsibility for a drone attack in Tel Aviv on July 19th that killed 1 person and wounded at least 8 others. The explosion occurred approximately 330 feet from the former U.S. embassy building in Tel Aviv. Houthis spokesperson Yair Shari described the attack as a significant military operation involving a drone capability of bypassing the enemy's interception systems. In a following on press briefing, Israel Defense Force spokesperson Daniel Hagari said that the drone, which is the IDF believes flew from Yemen to Tel Aviv, was likely an Iranian-made Salman 3 that was likely upgraded to extend its flight range. Hagari added that the IDF thoroughly examined the incident, including why Israel Air Defense System does not detect the threat. Another Israeli officials claim the failure was caused by human error. Separately, Hagari said that the IDF intercepted another UAV that attempted to infiltrate from the east. The IDF is examining the connection between the 2 incidents. Bring out a scripture for that. This is 2nd Esdras 15 and verse 15. For the sword and the destruction draweth nigh. 1 people shall stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. 2nd Esdras 15 verse 16. For there shall be sedition among men, invading one another. They shall not regard their kings nor their princes, and the course of their actions stand in their power. So with that, hopefully this quick sit-down lesson is edifying. The latest escalations are heating up over there in Western Asia. The IDF, which is Israeli Defense Force, going against the Houthi rebels, and especially over there in the Red Sea as well too, as escalations are heating up on both sides of the Israeli Defense Force versus the Iranian-backed group, which is over there in Yemen. And it reads again, Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen claim drone attack on Tel Aviv. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Akakadash, Barakatham to the elders, Ba'akim, Akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.